It was late afternoon when a powerful 7.0 magnitude earthquake struck Haiti. More than 200,000 people died, and about the same number of people were injured, with tens of thousands permanently disabled. Over 1 million were left homeless. Makeshift camps sprung up throughout the city. Hundreds of thousands lack food, water, shelter, and medical care. At the same time, the rainy season is quickly approaching, bringing with it the additional threats of flooding, mudslides, and hurricanes. AMURT and its women's managed wing, AMURTEL, have been working actively in Haiti since 1988 in the fields of education, disaster relief, and sustainable community development. Our experienced teams immediately jumped into action. AMURTEL was assigned with the overseeing of 14 relief camps in the Bourdon Valley region neighboring its headquarters, distributing food, water, tarps, and other supplies to approximately 10,500 people. In addition, latrines have been built in the camps in partnership with Haven, and AMURTEL has also set up regular medical clinics in partnership with a team of physicians organized by AMURT, meeting the primary medical needs of the camp residents. The AMURT team of physicians treats 100 patients daily, covering 10 camps. AMURTEL also organizes women's groups in the camps. Partners from an organization experienced in helping trauma survivors in Rwanda helped develop a program combining their techniques with AMURTEL's yoga-based approach.
The body has a response to trauma that allows you to survive.
After hearing about the common effects of a major shock on our system, the women were relieved to be able to discuss the shakiness, bad dreams, sleep difficulties, hyper-alertness, and emotional reactions they were having, and to discover that they were neither sick nor alone. The women were then invited to try simple breathing techniques, yoga movements, self-massage, and deep relaxation. They were surprised and delighted to discover that they could feel so much better so quickly, with something that they could easily do on their own whenever they need it. Members of both AMURT and AMURTEL's volunteer team regularly join the cluster meetings organized at the UN base to coordinate with other NGOs, collaborate with the UN's strategies for delivering aid, and represent the concerns expressed directly in the camps to the authorities. However, the backbone of the success of AMURT and AMURTEL's projects are the local community organizers known as animateurs. Within the AMURTEL team, there are 5 such experienced animateurs. These dynamic and strong Haitian women are experts in motivating and empowering communities to solve their own problems. AMURT Haiti has 12 animateurs, and it has long been a vital key in its community-based approach to relief and development. Jean-Claude is one of these grassroots community organizers.
Je t'aimerais que you participate dans tout ça qu'a fait pour communauté.
They want to participate in everything we make in this community.
Yo besoin yon moun qui fait yo sentir que yo vaut quelque chose.
They need someone who make them feel like they're worth something.
In this disaster, AMURT Haiti immediately focused on the particularly vulnerable situation of young children. AMURT had recently begun a program of teacher training in the northern area of the country, training teachers in progressive, child-centered, neo-humanist education. Thus, a team of educational experts were on hand and immediately mobilized their skills towards creating child-friendly spaces for the young children living in the camps. Following a disaster, the confusion and upheaval of all familiarity and sense of safety is deeply distressing for small children. Adults are preoccupied with basic survival concerns, and it is difficult to give children the attention they need. Children have a need to return to normalcy as soon as possible through familiar routines, opportunities for play and self-expression, and through receiving loving attention from relaxed, positive adults. AMURT's child-friendly spaces, funded by Kinder Not Hilfe and Catholic Relief Services, are serving approximately 3,000 children in 5 different locations. Camp committees, together with the AMURT community organizers, identified locations for the construction of the spaces and selected the children that would benefit according to criteria that they established themselves. The monitors are also selected from the camp communities, providing employment opportunities and building their professional capacity through the ongoing trainings and experience in new humanist education that they are receiving.
I teach the kids karate. They like it, and I like it also because it's fun to play with the kids and to see them smiling. That gives joy. I feel my joy in their happiness.
The children come with enthusiasm to the program and are unwilling to leave it when it ends. It is truly an oasis of hope, beauty, and inspiration for them while living in such bleak conditions. Expert geologists have cautioned the Haitian government that Port-au-Prince continues to remain at risk for further devastating earthquakes and has advised that the population shift to safer areas away from the fault zone. However, the rural areas are extremely impoverished and lacking in both infrastructure and economic development to offer jobs and housing for the displaced population. AMURTEL is studying the indigenous construction techniques and investigating sites for creating ecologically sustainable communities. AMURT has already realized 9 integrated community development projects in Anse Rouge. It is currently developing a modern salt production facility to produce iodized salt, create employment, and invest all proceeds in local development projects. Both AMURT and AMURTEL will continue our environmental restoration program, focusing on reforestation, soil conservation, and sustainable agriculture to address the underlying causes that aggravate so many natural disasters in the country. AMURT and AMURTEL remain committed to facilitate the long-term rebuilding of the country in partnership with the local communities and guided by the leadership and initiative of the resilient Haitian people.